Good morning, it's Mo, and today we are working on the E30 M3 suspension. As you can see in my mess, I've been here for a couple days. So what is going on? We replaced the rear suspension components, sway bar link, shocks, springs, and brake pads. Also the brake line, we change it to a stainless steel instead of the rubber. And then we move up to the front because we bought the Bilstein OEM shocks for the front. Yeah, we bought them from ECS Tuning, and those are it. However, when we were going to put them inside the cartridge, it was a no-go. So what do you mean by that? Okay, I'll show you what I mean. So you see this little guy over here? That little guy. It won't fit. The Bilstein shock is beefier than what it originally had. And what it originally had when I bought this vehicle was these Tokiko shocks. That's what it had. And then when it came time to replace them, this part here wouldn't fit over it. Okay, not a problem. I did some research. It wasn't the original ones. So I thought maybe if I ordered the original part, it will fit. And that golden piece that you see on that's the original part. You want to take a look at it? All right, let's compare. Here we are to what it originally had. There's a big difference, for sure. Thick, thin wall. Come back. So I had to stall on the project because I had to go to work. Actually, I had 1 day left. Called them up, and they said the shock should fit on the E30 M3. I mean, it's listed for it. So I figured, you know what, that's part they probably should need for it to work. 1 day shipping, no go. So this part does not go. See? It hits. It's not supposed to hit. Let me show you. Here we have, this is the passenger side with the Bilstein shock installed. The shock is all the way bottom down. Let's put the retaining ring. It's not going anywhere. So I wonder if these Bilsteins are for another vehicle, not for the M3. There's a huge difference between all these struts. Huge difference. What it is, I don't know. You be the judge. So, what I had to do, find an alternative. And the KYB XLGs are the alternative, since I want this vehicle to be at stock height. And this original ring fits perfectly. See? So, if this is the OEM part, and it fits these aftermarket shocks, but it does not fit this Bilstein. That's the part number, but they're listed as the B4s, right? I believe B4, Bravo 4, just to make sure not B4 the word. Then this is a wrong listing. This doesn't fit the E30 M3. Let me know what you think. Put a comment below. Maybe I'm messing something up. Maybe there's something else I have to do. But I would like to hear your input on this. In the meantime, I'm going to tighten this little guy up and put it back where it belongs, because this car needs to be on the road ASAP. Thank you for tuning in. Subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment below. See you soon.